Launchpad through Facebook. I contacted Prem. I
Launchpad.
coincidentally had long associations with him. I had a brief meeting with him earlier. But when I came here, I knew one thing very clear, that the intentions of making Launchpad were clear. The organizer, the
Santosh.
starter of Launchpad, he
YouTube
knew
launch.
what he wanted to do. He knew what he wanted to do and how he wanted to go about it. I was not clear, he did not tell it to me very clearly, but I was sure that he was confident of his plan. As days passed, I saw a lot of people coming in. I saw a lot of people believing in his plan. And as he shared it with all of us, I knew one thing, that boss, यहाँ कुछ हो रहा है और कुछ constructive हो रहा है. We are not just sitting here whiling away our time and talking to people about Hawaii Mahal. We are not doing that. The idea of Launchpad is to launch people who are underprivileged, if I may use that word, who don't have connections, who don't come from big families, who are not very educated to, present their ideas in front of big companies. There are several shortcomings each one of us has. So we are over here to collectively overcome those shortcomings. I don't have money, we arrange for money. I don't have equipment, we arrange for equipment. I don't have actors, we arrange for actors. We don't have places to screen the film, we arrange for screens. We are trying to be a comprehensive solution to all people related to film industry. A lot of needs we cater to. Comprehensive. We can't go into every field into micromanagement, but comprehensively, yes, we do have a solution for independent people to work independently and make something. That is what I think this company is all about. I believe it.
Group, no company.
The group is all about. I believe in it.
And your first interaction towards Launchpad and a couple of meetings down the lane now, what is that you understood? And what is your opinion or impression? Or
See, like I just told you, when I came in, I was not very clear with what it was all about. But as time passed, I came to know one thing, that boss, मेरे को clarity नहीं हो सकती है, but इस बंदे को clarity है. Maybe I am not very clear with what he wants to do, but this man is sure of what he wants to do. And as time passed, you tend to understand the person. Everyone cannot work or react according to how you react or how you are comfortable with. So there might be conflict of opinion at times, but the core values are strong and they are in place.
Launchpad is individual or Launchpad is a group?
Both. Launchpad cannot be just a group. One individual has to spearhead it, and I think we have that spearhead over here. Otherwise, we wouldn't be meeting here. I wouldn't have still come around.
Where did you come from and how long did you spend?
I had come from Mumbai on the 18th of June, and I had plans of going back on the 21st. We all know what the date is, and I'm still hanging around here.
What makes you hang around here?
Launchpad is not the only reason I'm hanging around here, very honestly speaking. I have other meetings lined up too, but then the idea is that to do constructive work. I have shifted to Mumbai only to do constructive work in the industry. And if I have a place where I can express my opinion and do something creative without any hassle, then why not? Money is not the priority as of now. As of now, at the end of the day, money is a very, very top priority in everybody's life course. But we as youngsters who have some time on hand, if we wish to do something constructive, right, so I'm sure all of us would have been in IT firms by now. If we are here and if we are passionate about filmmaking, I am sure all of us know this one thing very clearly, that money does not come in on day one. So I'm very clear with that myself. I'm okay if I don't get money immediately, but I need, and I think all of us need work, good quality work, and a proper channel to go through.
Is there any learning which you've gone through the due course?
A lot of it.
Can you name few?
How to manage a team, how to select people from a team, how to approach people, how to establish your contacts. A lot of stuff. And this might sound very ambiguous, but it is not. I'm saying this very clearly. How to approach people. Approach people who are not as proficient as you are. Approach people who are much more proficient and much more experienced than you. We deal with all of them. We've dealt with bigwigs. I've personally visited some big names along with Prem. I've dealt with a lot of newcomers who come from districts, who come from other cities. And I like the approach. It's warm, at the same time it's not overly warm. It's not overly lick your ass. No. We mean business. And even when we go to the top guys, we go there because we mean business, not because sir, koncham istar sir, koncham chedam sir. It's not there.
So share your experience, don't take the names, and whatever people you met and whichever way Launchpad helped you, share your experience without names.
I've been to a couple of big guys along with Launchpad, and what I saw was this one notion all of us have that यार बड़े लोग हैं help करेंगे क्या यार we might be turned away. We went through Launchpad through some good amount of contacts. Not that we just walked into those offices, but then despite those contacts, I like the attitude